Alright, this video is to help you to upload the different files that are required for the thickness of aluminum foil lab. Right? So what I've done is I've gone into Classroom, I've clicked the link for the Google form, and I've made my way here to the lab thickness of aluminum foil. So of course you would start by entering in your information, last name, first name. Team name is going to reflect the token that your group chose as you got together, so red or some superhero. All right, and this is really the part that can be a little bit tricky. All right, especially if you've never done this before. Okay, so there are 4 files you need to upload here, and this is what you're going to do. So the first one, it says upload your completed data table here. Right? So in a previous video we talked about creating a Google sheet to take our data that we wrote by hand and transferred it so it makes it look nice and neat. All right, so to get to that, this window pops up. We're going to go to My Drive, and you should have created a physical science folder. And when you open that up, all right, I got to go back a little bit because that's not the one I want. Let's see if it's in here. Aluminum foil lab, and you created a data table just like this, right? So aluminum foil data table, and you should have filled all this information in by putting all your data in there. All right, now to get it onto the form, you just select it, click select, and that file is going to appear right there. So that one you must have that Google Sheet. If you try and upload a PDF, a picture of it, it's not going to work. All right. Now for 7, 8, 9, we're going to add picture files. And picture files are just that. They have to be image files. Now a lot of this has to do with where you save them. If you took the pictures with your device, your laptop device, and saved it to your computer, you're going to have to go here, select files from your computer. Once you select that, you're going to make your way over to the folder that you saved them in, right? They might be under pictures, under your camera roll. That's where I'm going to go. Well, guess I'm not going to go there. There's nothing in there. All right, so I'll go back. But once you find it, you're going to select your picture. All right, and what you want to pay attention to is you see this box just popped up, and it says item type, and it's a PNG file. PNG is a type of picture file. All right, this one right here, when you go to item type, it's a JPG file. That is also a type of picture file. If it's not one of those 2 types of files, most likely you don't have an image file. Right? If you have a PDF, if you have something like a HIEC, that's a different type of file, and we don't want that. All right? It won't work. But once you find the picture you want, you select it, you click open, and it's going to upload that file. And you click upload. It's going to take a little bit of time depending on the picture, right? So you see it's a PNG, and that's an OK type of file. For this one, I'll upload a JPEG, so just to show you what that would look like. All right. Okay. So when that file comes up, you can see way at the end, way on the right, it says .jpg, and that's a JPEG file. All right. So that time I showed you how to do it right off your computer. Now you may have put it onto your Google Drive if that's where you saved your picture. So in that case, you just go to your Drive, and then you just scroll to where your picture is. And I'm just going to, you can see I have some different ones. I have a PNG here. Here's some more PNGs. Right? Here's a JPEG. Right? Looking at all these different types of files that you see available that I could do. Right? But you're going to find the picture of what you need. I'm going to do this one just for demonstration purposes. So this is a JPEG file again. So that's a good type of file. I select it from my drive, and it's going to upload right there. And now suddenly I have aluminum foil, right? Google Sheet, picture file, could be a PNG, could be a JPEG. Either one is going to be okay. Showed you how to get to it in different places. Hopefully you're saving it using the strategies that I showed you in class. And now that you're done uploading the files, that's really kind of the challenging part, especially if you've never done that. But now you're going to go in here and you're going to answer the 4 questions from your packet and type your answers in here in a clear way. Right? And once you're done, then you'll click submit, and that will be turned in. All right, so that was the video to help you to hand in the aluminum foil